What I'm going to demonstrate now is the notching of panels. First we'll be notching out the inside of the panel. Then we'll be notching on the nail side of the panel, also on the inside. Then we are to fold the panel. We will be taking our folding tool, sliding it up even with the notches, then grabbing a hold of it and folding the panel. Then after folding the panel, we'll need to cut away only half, and what we'll be doing is cutting this off where later we'll be folding this to cover up our ends. Now we're going to be taking off all of the nail fin side. Making this cut even with the end of our panel. Now your panel is ready to be installed.